Bro, scientists just discovered something insane. They're saying that there is a high chance of a mega snowstorm hitting out of nowhere. Up north, you're getting blasted with snow, like 3 times more than normal. Buffalo could hit 100 inches without even trying. But the south? Bro, you might see almost zero snow. A full snow drought, 50 to 70% below normal. Your winter is basically late October with a jacket. Here's the crazy part. Scientists found that this winter is basically gonna split the U.S.
in half.
And it gets even wilder. If the polar vortex slips even once, that storm could drop straight into states that normally never see snow.